Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with the E15 error code on your washing machine in 2025, don't panic, we've got you covered. This common issue often signals a problem with the water inlet system, like a clogged filter or low water pressure, and it's usually something you can fix at home with a few simple steps. Let's dive right in and get your machine running smoothly again. First things first, safety is key. Start by unplugging your washing machine from the wall to avoid any electrical hazards. Give it a few minutes to fully power down. This prevents any accidental starts while you're working. Next, check your water supply. Ensure that the cold water tap connected to your machine is fully turned on and that there's no kink or blockage in the hose. Sometimes, it's as simple as a turned-off valve. If everything looks good there, let's move on to the inlet filter. Locate the filter. It's usually at the back of the machine where the hose connects. Carefully unscrew it, and use a soft brush or an old toothbrush to remove any debris, lint, or mineral buildup. Rinse it under running water and make sure it's completely clean before reattaching it. Now, inspect the inlet hoses for any signs of wear, cracks, or blockages. If you spot any issues, you might need to replace the hose. Once that's done, plug your machine back in and run a test cycle on a quick wash setting with no clothes inside. This will help you see if the error has cleared. If the E15 code persists, it could be a more complex issue like a faulty pressure sensor or pump. In that case, it's time to call a professional technician to avoid causing further damage. Remember, always refer to your machine's manual for model-specific advice. There you have it. Fixing the E15 error doesn't have to be a headache. By following these steps, you'll save time and money. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy home repair tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.